Let's talk about the struggle of using HDRIs. They are massive files. They're completely static. And if you need to change the time of day, you are basically stuck hunting for a new 4 GB image. Physical Starlight and Atmosphere, or PSA, is the professional alternative. It isn't just a background texture, it is a full-blown atmospheric simulator that lives right inside your Blender scene. Developed by Martin Zupidis over a decade of research, this add-on uses actual photometric measurements. It calculates how light from the sun scatters through air masses based on Rayleigh and Mie theory. What that means for you is that when you move the sun toward the horizon, the sky doesn't just turn orange. It shifts colors with the scientific accuracy of a real sunset. And because it's procedural, it works in real time in both Eevee and Cycles. One of the coolest features is the binary sun system. If you are working on a sci-fi project and need a Tatooine-style sky with 2 suns, you can add a secondary star with its own independent rotation and temperature settings. It also features procedural clouds and a star field that actually reacts to the atmosphere. As the sun rises, the stars naturally fade out, just like they do in the real world. For those doing high-end architectural or automotive work, the ground plane feature is a lifesaver. You can adjust your altitude. If you crank it up high enough, the atmosphere thins out and you're suddenly looking at the Earth from space. Every single slider, from the sun's Kelvin temperature to the density of the fog, is keyframeable. This makes it incredibly easy to create dynamic day-to-night cycles for your animations. It's important to note that this is a lightweight powerhouse. The entire add-on is only about 600 kilobytes. Compare that to a folder full of HDRIs taking up dozens of gigabytes on your hard drive. At $70 for the basic license, it is a staple for professional lighting artists. It takes the guesswork out of outdoor environments and just makes things look right with a single click. If you're tired of fighting with static backgrounds, this is the upgrade your pipeline needs.